up, everybody? I'm back with another video. Today I decided to do a colorful, carnival inspired look for the summertime, because y'all know they talking about they might open outside back. We got to be looking fierce. We got to be on point, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this colorful look, because I was inspired, honey. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next one.
When you love someone, there's no such thing of doing too much when you love someone.
Thank y'all for watching. How y'all like this look? How y'all think it came out? Y'all feeling it? Like this video. Make sure you subscribe to me if you are not already subscribed. Make sure you hit the notification bell. Click on that so that way you're notified every time I upload a YouTube video. And leave me some suggestions in the comments below. Let me know what you guys want to see. Bye. See you in my next video.
Yeah, turn it up, okay.